Language is everything, you know, it's a part of us, and it kind of feels like we're getting parts of us back.
Language is it's how you think, how you express yourself, how you feel, and I don't really know how you can separate any of those things out, particularly from the culture. So that's why this reawakening of the Ngunnawal language has been so important to both of us. Yeah, it means everything.
I feel like it's an essential part of our identity and our connection to who we are to be able to speak our own language.
For me, I guess it's important because it gives us a sense of identity, purpose and position, I guess, yeah.
It's been really magic, really. It's been a really awesome space. IATS's done a great job, and Living Languages have done a great job in organising this and making us feel culturally safe. And we're all, I guess, Aboriginal people and Torres Strait Islander people working for the same thing, working towards the same goal of bringing our languages back. And so the environment's really empowering. We're all going through the same thing.
What I feel like is really cool is that although at first it was really hard for me, fitting it into my English speaking mouth, when you can speak it and when it finds its right placement, right, there's a feeling in that. It's a very special feeling. It's like a feeling of home. And it's really regrounding, it's also very fortifying, and there's a strength in, I'm not alone, right? This is a part of a bigger story, this is my role, but this is what we're here for. One of the interesting things that has deepened my understanding of how central language is to everybody's journey, particularly like ours, is because so much of this has been quite collaborative, people finding bits of your information in their stuff, you finding bits of their information in your stuff, but also finding shared words and shared language. And so I think that's really interesting to see how language maps something so much bigger in terms of how community operates and functions.
For us, there was a lot more audios of our grandfather that we didn't have access to, so that was really, really cool to acquire and get. And then we found a lot of information and materials that we thought were lost. It's real, right? It's incredible to just hear the language and how they used to talk. It's just like a river, it just flows. Just understanding what it was like back then and hearing those conversations is really good, yeah. It's something that's never gonna end as a journey. So where we are now, I'm loving it and I'm just trying to take it all in. Like, we got so much information. So now you just got to sit back and sift through it and take on the next step as it comes.
So Watamali, Yundu, Bimbi, Thalgri, Nya, Marie, Birugaba, and Bay. So essentially I've just said, hello, welcome, my name is Marie, Birugaba and Mbe.
Ngana Walali Wangaranya, which effectively means we're stronger together.